We will now determine two functions f and g such that the function h of x equals 1 over x squared plus 1 is written as a composite of the two functions f and g. That is, h of x is written as f of g of x. So let's verify each of the answer choices given and select the correct one. First, let's verify this answer choice part A. And here it is given f of x equals x squared plus 1 and g of x equals 1 over x. So I'm going to find f of g, and this equals f of g of x. This is according to the composite of functions. And so therefore this equals f of g of x is 1 over x, and this means we have to replace x in f of x by 1 over x. So therefore this becomes, we have f of x equals x squared plus 1. So in place of x we have to replace 1 over x. So therefore this becomes 1 over x quantity squared plus 1. Let's simplify this. This equals 1 over x squared plus 1. We will put this as a simple fraction, that is this is 1 over x squared, and I multiply the 1 and divide by x squared so that I get common denominator, and so therefore this equals 1 over x squared plus 1 times of x squared is x squared, and this is x squared. And so we now have a common denominator. We can add the numerator terms. So therefore this becomes 1 over x squared. And clearly this is not h of x, because h of x is 1 over x squared plus 1. So we say that this answer choice A is not correct. Now let's verify the choice B. Once again we find f of g, and this equals f of g of x. So first replace g of x as given here. That is, this becomes f of x plus 1. And to find f of x plus 1, we have to replace x in f of x by x plus 1. So therefore this becomes 1 over x plus 1 quantity squared. And when you expand this binomial in the denominator, you will get 1 over x squared plus 2x plus 1. And clearly this is not equal to h of x. So we see that this choice B is not correct. Let's verify choice C. Here we have g of x equals 1 over x squared and f of x equal to 1. So when we find f of g, we'll get f of 1 over x squared, and this equals, we have to find f of 1 over x squared. We have f of x equal to 1, so there is no place we can replace x, and this means f of 1 over x squared is always 1. So this is not equal to h of x. So we see that answer choice C is not correct. Now let's verify choice D. Here we have g of x equals under the root of x squared plus 1. I'm sorry, x plus 1. So I find f of g, and this equals f of g of x. And so this equals f of, replace g of x by under the root of x plus 1. And now we have to find f of under the root of x plus 1. And this means we have to replace this x by under the root of x plus 1. So when we do that, we get 1 over, this is under the root of x plus 1 quantity squared. And when you square this under the root of x plus 1 quantity square, this square root as well as this power of 2 will get cancelled. So we will have only 1 over x plus 1. And clearly this is not equal to h of x. So therefore choice D is not correct. We will now verify choice E. So f of g, and this equals f of g of x. And so replace the g of x by 1 over x squared. So therefore this becomes f of 1 over x squared, and this equals, we have to replace this x by 1 over x squared. So this will be under the root of 1 over x squared plus 1. This is the complete under the root. Let's simplify and reduce this. So when we simplify this, we have already found this in a. So it will become 1 plus x squared over x squared. So I'm going to put this under the root, that is 1 plus x squared over x squared. So this can be written as under the root of 1 plus x squared divided by under the root of x squared. Now this power of 2 and this square root will get cancelled. So this simplifies to under the root of 1 plus x squared in the numerator over x. And once again, this is not equal to h of x. So this is not equal to h of x. So therefore, choice E is also not correct. And finally, we can come to a conclusion that choice F should be correct. However, let's verify this. So I'm going to find f of g, and this equals f of replace g by the function g of x, which is x squared plus 1. Now replace x in f of x by x squared plus 1. So therefore this becomes 1 over, replace x by x squared plus 1, I get 1 over x squared plus 1. And clearly this equals h of x. This equals h of x. So we see that answer choice F is correct. And this means g of x equals x squared plus 1 and f of x equals 1 over x. So we determine the two functions f of x and g of x such that h of x is written as a composite of two functions f of g of x.